Today I'm gonna work on Jaguar XK8, preparing for MOT. I'll just clean all this corrosion, treat it. It's just surface corrosion. I will treat it, paint it, make it nice, and then I go for MOT. That's how it's looking there. Pretty solid car. 84,000 miles. Still plenty of life. It's not ULEZ free, unfortunately. What we can do? We drive it how it is. No ULEZ. That's mostly for today. There you go. That's how it looks after the rust treatment wax, which encapsulate the rust. It's going dark, black color. So we hope so in the next couple of years to not have much rust. Very good liquid, very good stuff for rust. Now I will paint it and job done. Oh, job done. That's how it looks now. Painted with anti-corrosion treatment, body seal paint. I paint the exhaust a bit because it's been too rusty. Also the brakes, discs. Soon I have to change the brake pads. But let's see when we pass the MOT. We're gonna do that job. That's how it's under now. This is the petrol filter here. If you don't know where it's located on XK8. Look much better now. Also be detailed Jaguar there, the back lift. Beautiful. It will go another 5 years with protection and to not worry for some rust issue. That's it for today. This takes around 5 hours to complete that job.